Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to create basic animation using Adobe Animate. Firstly, we start the Adobe Animate software. Then go to File and select New. In a new document dialog box, choose the preset stage size that suits your needs. For this demo, I will choose the preset for Education 1024 x 768. This is the minimum size for a widescreen display. Click the Create button. For basic animation, let's say we are going to animate a ball from top to bottom in 15 frames. After 15 frames, the ball should be at the bottom of the stage. To do that, click frame number 1 and draw a circle at the top left of the stage. Right-click at the frame number 15 and select Insert Keyframe. Then, still in the frame number 15, move the ball to the bottom of the stage. After that, right-click at the frame 25 and select again the Insert Keyframe. Still in the frame number 25, move the ball up as it is bouncing from the bottom of the stage. Insert keyframe again in frame number 35 and move the ball back to the bottom of the stage. Insert keyframe again in frame number 45. Then move the ball up but lower than the ball position in frame number 35. Repeat the step in the frame number 55. Right-click, insert keyframe, and move the ball to the bottom. Frame number 65, insert keyframe, bounce the ball. Frame number 75, insert keyframe, drop the ball. Frame number 90, insert keyframe, and roll the ball out of the stage. Now, if we move the timeline, we can see the movement of the ball. So, to create animation of this bouncing ball, we will use twinning to move the ball. To do this, select all the keyframes, right-click and select the Create Classic Twin method. To test the animation, go to Control and select Test Scene. So, this is the basic animation that you can do using Adobe Animate. You can also import image to use for this animation. Let's say we want to create another animation on this stage. To do that, right-click in the Layer section and select Insert Layer. Now we want to use a real ball image to animate. You can search the ball image from Google, but make sure that the image has transparent background. Transparent background uses .png extension, so we search ball PNG in Google Image and save to computer. In Adobe Animate, go to File, Import to Stage and select the ball image. Resize the image. Let's say this time the ball will bounce from top right corner. Put the ball here and remove the frame in Layer 2. Right-click frame number 15 in Layer 2 and select Insert Keyframe and move the ball here. Right-click frame number 25, Insert Keyframe and move the ball here. Right-click frame number 35, Insert Keyframe and move the ball here. Right-click frame number 45, insert keyframe and move the ball here, and so on. Now select all the frame in Layer 2. Right-click and select Classic Twin. If it asks to convert frame content to symbol, just click OK. Select Control and Test Scene. You can observe that the animation moving at the same time. Okay, let's say we want to add another layer. Right-click at the Layer section and select Insert Layer. Now I want to move an aeroplane. Search aeroplane PNG in Google Image and save the image. Remove all the frame in layer 3 and in the first frame import the image to stage. resize to a smaller size and move it to the outside of the stage at the top left corner. Right-click frame number 45 and select Insert Keyframe. Move the aeroplane to the center of the stage and resize to a bit bigger. Right-click frame number 90 and select Insert Keyframe. Move the aeroplane to the far right outside of the stage and resize it to a larger size. Select the frame in Layer 3, right-click and select Create Classic Twin. If it asks to convert image to symbol, just click OK. Go to Control and Test Scene. So, this is the basic animation using Adobe Animate. The last one I'm going to show you here is to put Control button to stop and start the animation. Insert another layer, search Pause and Play button in PNG format from Google Image, save and then import both the image to stage. Resize the play button to a reasonable size. Click the play button and in Properties tab, go to Position and Size section. Set the size to 90 pixel width and 90 pixel height. Then click Pause button, set the size also to 90 times 90 pixel. Make sure the width and height of both play and pause button are the same. Right-click play button and select Convert to Symbol. Type the name of the button Play and the type is Button. Click OK. Repeat the step to the Pause button. Set the name to Pause and click OK. For Play button, click the Play button, go to Windows and select Code Snippets. Double-click the Action Script section, then double-click Event Handlers, double-click the mouse click event, just click OK if prompted. Replace the line trace mouse click with this dot play, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon. For Pause button, repeat the step just like in the Play button, but for Pause button, replace with this dot stop, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon. After that, go to Control and Test Scene. Now you can play and stop your animation. That's all for now. See you again.